sidewalk. No one stops to say hello. It starts to sprinkle. There's acid in the rain. It burns my face, cleanses my soul. Long walk down an empty road, no one around. Seems I'm all alone. The cold breeze starts to blow, stings my cheeks, but cleanses my soul. Long walk, my feet don't touch the ground. My head is in the clouds. There's acid in the rain. There's acid in the rain. There's acid in the rain. All alone inside myself, just walking with no destination. I see a face, the reflection of a pond. I wonder who it is, but it's me all along. I sit down to rest my feet, taking in everything that I see. I pass under a bridge where a bum sometimes sleeps. There's graffiti on the wall. It says there's acid in the rain. There's acid in the rain.